Hi guys, my name is Varun and today I'm going to be doing a very interesting recipe for you guys. So keeping up with the winter theme, we have very nice produce and vegetables in the market nowadays, and one of them is Methi, fresh fenugreek leaves, which has a very nice earthy, bitter kind of fresh flavor. And I'm going to be doing something that almost all of us have had at some point of time in our lives, yet we don't make it at home because it's termed as a very restaurant kind of dish. I'm going to be doing a Methi mushroom malai with Matar. So it's a very mixed vegetable kind of a curry that has a creamy white base and has fresh fenugreek through it. So let's check out this recipe.